Hi kids, welcome back to my magical castle. Today, let's explore more of the wonderful things amazing women from all backgrounds have done for children. Long ago, Florence Nightingale showed us how to care for people with kindness, helping children feel safe and healthy. Then there's Mary McLeod Bethune, a wonderful teacher who started a special school so all children could learn and follow their dreams. And look at Katherine Johnson. Her amazing math helped people travel to the moon, inspiring us to always reach for the stars. Think of all the magical stories shared by women poets and writers, filling our hearts with words of women have always been our magical guides. They help our imaginations grow and fill the world with color. Whether they are teachers, doctors, or our own amazing moms, women bring so much magic and love into our lives every single day. Keep being magical, keep being kind, and remember, you can do anything.
Oh, mama, sister, teacher too. So many things that girls can do. Build a rocket, fly so high. Paint the rainbow in the sky. Oh, doctors, dancers, writers, bright. Shining stars in day and night. Leaders helping hand in hand. Changing worlds across the land. Oh, women strong and true. Look at all the things they do. Celebrate them, shout hooray. For this women's special day. Scientists with big ideas. Nurses wiping away tears. Artists making colors sing. Women bring us everything. Women strong and true. Look at all the things they do. Celebrate them, shout hooray. For it's women's special day.
Ever before, because every year you grow, your courage grows too. I remember when you were small and slight, but you shine like an arrow of golden light. You can solve the puzzles and win the race with a giant smile upon your face. The clock keeps ticking and the seasons fly, but you have the power to reach the sky. Take a deep breath and feel the pride. There is a spark of fire burning inside. Lift up your chin and find your voice. It is time to make some joy.
Thanks for watching Learning with Ms. Lisa. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning adventures.